Meaning of glaucoma.
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 Glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, which transmits visual information from the eye to the brain. If left untreated, glaucoma can lead to permanent vision loss and blindness. The most common form of glaucoma is open-angle glaucoma, where fluid builds up in the eye and causes pressure, gradually damaging the optic nerve. Another type is angle closure glaucoma, which occurs when the iris blocks the drainage angle of the eye, leading to a sudden increase of intraocular pressure. Early detection and treatment are important to prevent vision loss.